Good morning, guys. Last night was particularly cold, I think. It was so cold. I thought I was like on a really warm campsite because there's no wind here because it's so sheltered from like the mountains around. It was really cold. Like, oh, at some point I was like, why did I go to Iceland? But it's all good. Spirits are high again because it's kind of warm now. It's 9 in the morning. I'm gonna eat breakfast, pack up, and then start my like 1 hour drive to Skaftafell National Park. I just made myself a cheese toastie, which kind of went a little wrong because I burned it, but looking forward to eating that. Just the little things, you know. I'm all packed up and ready to go. Let's hit the road. It is already around 5 in the afternoon. I just met some lovely people again that I met like 2 days ago, which is so funny because Iceland has a lot of tourists if you compare it to like people that generally live here, but there are still few people coming here, and so you meet up with them all the time, which is so funny. But I'm doing a little hike now up to a waterfall. Maybe if I have time I can go to the glacier on the other side. I'm really out of breath because it's very steep and my asthmatic lungs are not very happy with steep hills. So let's see. Should be a really nice waterfall. So, by the way, that's my tent and my car there. That's so funny. From Svartifoss, which was the waterfall that you saw, over to a viewpoint where you can see the glacier really nicely. That's on this side. But from here you can see very nicely. Let me zoom in for you. where I came from today with the car. That bridge there. That bridge. I drove over that. That was really fun. It's so warm. It's like sunny and warm, and this has never happened so far, so I'm very, very excited about it. But like, I'm actually too hot, which I never thought I would ever be on this trip. Behind me is a glacier there. Don't know if you can see it, but I'm walking to the one on the other side. There are so many glaciers here. Anyway, I just noticed how quiet it is up here. You hear a few birds maybe, but that's it. I'm just gonna be quiet for a minute. It's just so beautiful. I've been walking here just like for like half an hour, just having the greatest time. This is like such beautiful scenery. I'm just blown away that I'm here and that I'm hiking and that I'm doing good and having a great day. Loving life so much. So clearly I always film myself in the wrong moments, because I was not filming as I walked over this like little summit peak thing and saw the view. I did not expect this. Are you ready? Oh my god. It's a glacier that's calving into little icebergs, making a glacier lagoon that goes straight into the lava. I just love the contrast of this landscape, the black and white of the ice and the lava. It's just so stunning. I mean, look at that. Oh my god. I'm horrendously impressed. I have like no words for this. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god. So I just made some mac and cheese. I definitely need to get off the pasta. I'm gonna buy some rice tomorrow because like I can't see it anymore. It's actually quite good. Since the sun has left, it got so, I mean it's not set, it's just behind the mountain. It got so cold that I'm just gonna eat anything that's warm, so literally. It's so, I was just literally thinking maybe tonight would be the night to sleep in the car because it's so cold outside, but I'm not gonna do that.